Hello, Chiki Yogi. Use this short mindfulness practice whenever you want to help your mind cool down and feel light and refreshed again. You can practice standing, sitting, or lying down. Just don't do it while driving your car or operating any machines. Safety first. Now, please find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Imagine being in a tropical forest. It's a warm, sunny day. It smells like summer. In the distance, you can hear water flowing. Slowly, you walk towards it. The ground underneath your feet is nice and soft, like a pillow. You enjoy every step you take. You look up and you see sunshine dancing among the leaves. You keep walking. You arrive at the edge of a little forest lagoon. You stand on a tiny beach, surrounded by majestic trees. At the other end of the lagoon, you see a beautiful waterfall with gently flowing water. You feel safe and peaceful. You feel at home here. You slowly take off your clothes and step into the water up to your knees. Its temperature is just perfect, not too warm, not too cold. You step deeper. The water comes up to your waist. Your body immediately feels better, stronger, younger. You decide to swim to the waterfall and sit on a rock right underneath the stream. The falling water starts massaging your head, your neck, your shoulders, your back. It feels as if it was washing away all of your thoughts. You breathe deeply and smile. All you can feel is pure bliss. Just pure bliss. Dive deeper into this feeling. Relax your face. Relax your shoulders. Relax your belly. Relax and enjoy this moment. Now slowly move your toes and fingers. You decide to slowly slide off the rock into the water and swim back to the beach. You step out of the water feeling like a newly born. You feel light, you feel young, you feel strong. You feel energized and refreshed, yet calm and grounded. You grab your clothes and put them on. Now take a deep breath and smile. It's time to keep going. Bring your hands to your face and massage it gently. You can now open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your journey. Thank you for showing up for yourself. See you next week.